Tomorrow's Christmas Eve, and then it'll be Christmas. You see him? We got a big snowstorm last night, and now we gotta go out in the yard and check and see if our house is okay.
We had a windstorm.
At a windstorm. That wind was insane. I'm a bad filmer. I should have vlogged it last night. I woke up at like 4 o'clock. There was stuff flying everywhere. Now we gotta go check and see if our house is okay, because there's this siding all over the place. I don't know if it belongs to us or not, but I think it does because it's in our yard.
Doesn't mean anything. R2's okay.
Yeah, that's what I was worried about last night when I came down here, because the lights and stuff were still on, but he was already down when I came and turned the stuff off.
So he got floating.
Well, it's freezing, so we gotta go check on the house. Oh my god, siding came off. What the heck? That's great. That's wonderful. Andrew got his car fixed, and now the house is messed up. This is lovely. Lovely. Yeah, our siding was in the street over there. This is our siding. What are you doing, buddy?
I'm freezing.
You're freezing? You look like a cat. It is so freaking cold out there. My fingers, I wasn't even using them, and they were about to fall off. And Big Andrew is out there using his hands. Now he found gloves. But we walked out there because I was like, because I saw stuff flying around last night because the wind was so windy. It was so heavy. But I kept seeing the stuff flying around. I was like, oh, it's probably like the wood and stuff from our yard maybe, because we have an old wooden fence that sometimes the wood falls off. I walked out there and it was blue foam. I went, what is that? I came up here, I was like, Andrew, we better go check and see what that is, because that's not actual wood, and there's this big thing in the middle of the road. We had no idea what it was. We couldn't check because the wind was so strong last night. It was like 30-mile-per-hour winds, maybe stronger. I don't know. It was really strong. It was pretty strong that it caused our side of our house to come off. But when we walked out there, we were looking around the house. We were like, okay. As soon as we got to the side, I screamed, and Andrew went, what? And I was like, the freaking chimney! The siding of the chimney came off. Like the siding and the foam, everything was flying everywhere all night. And now he's out there sliding and picking up pieces. But I am so happy that it did not injure anybody or hit anybody's car. The wood thing, the siding got stuck on the stop sign out there, but the foam pieces kept hitting the neighbor's car. So I'm kind of happy that their car didn't get injured, because the last thing we need. Look, frozen. Your poor little face. Lose your fingers. Oh my gosh.
Are you cold?
Yeah. He said, I'm freezing. Well, go put your shoes on, silly. Ah, get your hands off me.
This one just hurts. I can't even.
Well, you're doing more than I was, and my fingers were hurting me. But the dogs are enjoying the snow. I was trying to film them, but my fingers would not allow me. It was so cold. But they're running around the yard all hyper and eating snow. Well, they were. The wind's picking up, so they're freezing. It's very windy still. Well, not as bad as last night. How strong of a wind did we get last night?
It was supposed to be upwards of 40 miles an hour.
Yeah, 40 miles per hour, maybe more. It was pretty strong for it to rip our house apart, so. But I'm gonna get his hot cocoa, warm him up, and then get Andrew some breakfast. This is the last thing we needed. Andrew's like, it doesn't surprise me. I was like, this surprises me. We didn't need this. He's like, it does surprise me. This house is old. I'm like, well, We just got his car somewhat fixed, and now the house is falling apart.
Our house?
It was already falling apart inside, but now outside. Now we gotta go show some damages to his papa and stuff, so wish us luck. Potatoes, hide from the snow. Coco and Rudolph.
Well, don't get angry. I don't mind. You know? My name's Clary.
Are you liking that it snowed?
Yeah.
Are we liking that it snowed?
I love the snow.
Andrew!
Oh.
You gotta bleep that out.
I love too.
1,652.
I'm eating my foot. Well, I think we're gonna hide in the house today.
Yeah.
Because it's really cold and it's still kind of windy out. But it's not as bad as it was last night. We're watching the snowman. So distinguished. The dogs are enjoying the snow, but they won't stay out there very long because the wind scares them.
Well, that's kind of cold.
It's very cold. What is the temperature out? It said yesterday that by like 6 or 8 a.m. it's gonna be like 4 degrees.
It's 2 degrees.
Yeah, like I said, it's supposed to get like 4 degrees today.
It's 2 degrees.
That's why it's so cold.
I'm supposed to say tomorrow.
It's freezing. So, there you go. It's 2 degrees outside.
It's not going to snow on Christmas.
Andrew.
Andrew.
That's
Dude.
rude. Tigger. Meow, 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 meow.
I win.
Andrew was doing a staring contest with her. Now she's back. Also, part of the journey of our house falling apart, little Andrew also had an accident by the other side of our wall. Broke it and made a new closet, so I had to tape it up nice and pretty. You like it? I should put Crash on it, huh? Yeah. Next time I'll do Crash.
It's not fun here.
What the heck?
It's gone. Fire! It's gone.
Your outfit's gone.
Yeah.
Where'd he go?
I don't know. Maybe let's go check the bathroom.
Check the bathroom.
Oh, nice bathroom. He's not in the bathroom.
What?
My
What?
house!
Where?
Right there! We're pointing!
Where I'm pointing. Wow! What is he doing? How do you look?
How did he get up there and we didn't notice it?
No.
Yeah, we did it!
Pretty well. Alright, don't push the button. Keep it at me. Don't drop it. You got it? Hold it steady. Don't wait for the wind to stop blowing. No, come over here. Stand by. Hold the camera up so they can see you. Stand right here in front of the door. Show
Okay.
me. Show me. Show me. Hold it up. Hi. Let's see if this will work. We're going to try and do the science experiment. See how cold it is. I don't think it'll work though. Hold the phone up. Don't wait for the wind to stop blowing or I'm going to get soaked. Hold it up. It's cold. Wind to stop blowing. Stop blowing. It looks like I got electrocuted. My hair is all frizzy. The wind's still blowing. Is the camera still on?
Yeah.
Is it still counting?
Yeah.
Show me. Okay. Alright, let's try it. Ready?
Yeah. it.
That was cool.
I missed it.
You missed it?
Yeah.
Let me see. Well, I guess it's not cold enough for that. It tried to, but whatever. I was very curious. I've never tried that before, but I've seen other people do it.
Can we do it? Can we?
No, it's cold. Mommy needs to chill. Mommy needs to thaw. That wind was getting me. Come on, let's get in the house. Brutus, you have a sticker on your forehead. Alright, I'm gonna take the jacket off now. I'm frozen. These boys are being lazy. Lazy bones. Watching a glance still. This sunset is so pretty. Look how pretty. Oh, I would cry if I saw that. Somebody up here in a tree. Hi, Cookie. I'm just gonna freak out. What are we watching?
The Home Alone.
Home Alone 2?
Yeah.
Eat some lunch. Andrew's full. He barely touched anything. Andrew got a burger. Are you full?
Yeah, chocolate milk.
And you got chocolate milk. Look who is hiding in the tree. Squeal. Look who's hiding in the tree.
Why?
Look! Look at the tree! Hey, look at the tree! Look at the tree, Daddy!
It helps quite a bit, actually.
Look in the tree, Daddy.
What are you doing, Cookie?
Oh, I didn't know that one was open.
I'm gonna get Cookie.
Cookie there. Wants to hang out. Where we have our Christmas lights and stuff with the cords going through the windows plugged in. Can't really close the window unless we have to go in and out every day to plug it back in. So we have to, because it is freezing down here. The sun looks so cool. Well, it got blocked now, but it looks cool. But my boyfriend, stupidly, is about to go to the grocery store and get some food.
Guys, look!
I want to go with him, but he says no. I think he's dumb because it's dangerous.
Guys, look at Cookie!
I'm worried about the roads.
Guys!
Be fine.
We saw him, sweetie.
Oh my. Oh my.
Okay, well, ow! Well, I gotta clean up the animal's mess and then I don't know what else. Probably do some laundry.
Yeah, it has none.
Yeah, I gotta do the dishes. I gotta clean because tomorrow is Christmas Eve. I want the house somewhat put together. So
Well,
they're.
nobody's coming over.
I know, but I want the house put together so we don't have to worry about a mess. And you said if everyone's coming, you want everyone to come over on Christmas Eve because you don't want anybody to come over on Christmas.
Oh, yeah.
The roads are probably going to be bad and we don't want to be driving around on Christmas, so if anyone wants to see us, they have to come over.
That's right.
Yeah. Yeah, we special. And we just don't want to do anything. We'll probably go to Linda's. That's usually what we always do, but she's down the road, so we walk over there after we're done with this. And we eat breakfast and hang out with her, but then we'll come right back and hang out. We used to travel back and forth to like 3 different houses maybe, but we just can't
Like
do it anymore.
4 or 5.
Yeah, we just can't do it anymore. It's a lot of work. You gonna drive with that?
I have to open the door.
Oh. Andrew's you don't want to wear your coat?
No, I already look suspicious. At least this way they can identify me if I do steal something. He did.
Alright.
Hey!
A choo-choo train.
Yeah!
What song were you singing?
Singing monsters.
Sing it.
My singing.
Yeah. Say this boy's on fire.
This boy is on fire. La,
This boy is on fire.
No, you need to say this boy is on fire.
Oh, really? I don't think they want to hear my awesome singing voice. It's starting to warm up now because Andrew blocked the window for us. But while he's out getting, well, he's warming the car up now, but when he leaves to go get a couple groceries, I hope he's careful or I'll kick his butt. I gotta get the house clean. So, because tonight I am going to be busy wrapping. And I'll have to do it when Squirt is asleep. So, wish me luck. Unless you want to do it for me, but I don't blame you if you don't want to, because I don't want to. Well, my dad and them were here for a little bit. I didn't film anything because we were talking together and hanging out. And my boyfriend got back a little bit after they showed up. He got a few groceries. But it's late in the day. It's 6:19. Tomorrow is Christmas Eve. So I'm thinking about maybe tomorrow I'm going to have my family come down and we do Christmas with them because they're going to be busy Christmas Day. They're going to make food and crap. Well, stuff. Sorry. Together. And we don't really want to run around on Christmas Day. We want to stay home and hang out. So we were thinking about just getting it all done Christmas Eve and just relaxing on Christmas Day. But I don't know, I'm still juggling ideas and stuff. I don't know when, but I'm thinking about having them come over tomorrow. That's what my boyfriend wanted to do in the first place because he just doesn't want to drive around right now. And he just got his car back, so he's trying to take it easy on it, and I don't know how well the roads are going to be Christmas Day. We'll probably go up to his mama's, and that's about it. Because usually they do breakfast and we do Christmas, and then we come back. So that's probably all we'll do. But I don't know. We'll think about it. But it's going to be a big Christmas special, or whatever they're called. It's going to be Christmas Eve and Christmas Day put together, so it's going to be a long video. But anyway, I think this is it for today, and we will pick up tomorrow. I don't know if I'll have a video uploaded tomorrow for Christmas Eve, because I think I'm going to say Christmas Eve for Christmas Day, so it's all going to be one video together with both days, if that makes sense. So, I don't know. I'll figure it out. But this is it for today. We will see you guys tomorrow. Christmas Eve. Bye. Wait, the phone, geez.